discuss the exercises. The first one is you have to arrange the boxes. You have to rearrange the boxes to make a sentence. So this sentence is your so the sentence is object makes shadows simply. Now you have to classify the objects as opaque, transparent, translucent or luminous. So there is a list of objects. आपके लिए भाई a chart is prepared. Your air is transparent. You will take this and non-luminous. Then your water. So you have to make the chart like this only. Now question number 3. Can you think of creating a shape that would give a circular shadow if held in one way and rectangular if held in another way? What they are trying to tell you कि भाई आप किसी ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट का एग्जाम्पल दो जो एक डायरेक्शन में तो रेक्टेंगुलर शेडो देगा और दूसरे डायरेक्शन में कुछ और सर्कुलर देगा. सो दे हैव गिवन यू द एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ सिलेंडर, अ सर्कुलर डिस्क एट्सेट्रा. तो सिलेंडर को जब आप सीधा खड़ा करते हो तो क्या होगा? इट वुड गिव अ रेक्टेंगुलर शेप एंड इफ इट इज लाइंग डाउन इट वुड गिव यू अ सर्कुलर शेप. Okay, now see, they have shown you this is your cylinder. Whenever it is in, if it is in a fallen condition, अगर it is lying down, see, it would give a circular shadow. If it is standing, then it would give a rectangular shadow as shown in the figure. Now question number 4, in a completely dark room will you see your reflection? No, because there is no light source. If there is no light source, no image, no shadow, nothing can be formed. Now your extra question, why is the moon not considered as a luminous body? Because moon does not have a light of its own. It shines by the sunlight. Now what is an incandescent body? The bodies which emit light when heated to very high temperature. Incandescent क्या होता है? वो बॉडीज़ जो बहुत ज़्यादा हीट होने के बाद क्या हो जाती है? लाइट एमिट करने लगती है. जैसे ही आपका बल्ब, जो इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब होता है, उसमें योर फिलामेंट gets heated up. Filament is that wire, the thin wire which you will study in the next chapter. वो इतना ज़्यादा heat up हो जाता है that it start giving off light. What are the essential condition to form a shadow? There are 3 conditions. There must be an opaque object, there should be a source of light, and there should be a screen. Define reflection of light. When light rays after striking the smooth and shiny surface return to the same medium, this is known as a reflection. Now the difference between image and shadow, it is formed by intersection of reflected rays. Shadow is formed when light does not reach behind the object. तो image में क्या हो रहा है? Intersection of reflected rays, मतलब reflected rays are getting back and forming the image. While in shadow there is no light is reaching there. That is why they are formed. Image is seen when reflected rays approach observer's eyes. एंड शैडो व्हेन नो लाइट रीचेज ऑब्जर्वर्स आइज. हमारी आंखों तक लाइट ही नहीं पहुंच पाती तभी हमें शैडो दिखाई देती है. इमेज कब दिखाई देती है? जब लाइट हमारी आंखों पर जाती है. इमेज गिव्स मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन, कलर स्ट्रक्चर दिखाई देता है. शैडो ऐसी कोई इन्फॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइड नहीं करती है. इमेज कैन बी स्ट्रेट और इन्वर्टेड बट शैडो इज नेवर इन्वर्टेड. सो दिस वॉज ऑल